Thanks for trying Oscommerce POS point of sale. Now we are going to see how easy is the installation of time tracker on the point of sale. Punch Clock Time Tracker for Oscommerce point of sale is a web-based application that is designed to replace manual punch clocks to keep up with the employees' work hours. First, upload punch time folder into admin folder, catalog admin punch time splash. Please use your favorite FTP service. Next, import the tables to your Oscommerce database. Run the SQL file called create_tables SQL. Please use your phpMyAdmin or similar service. Now, edit the file called config.php. Please follow the instructions. Use your favorite PHP editor software. Open the time tracker punch clock from your point of sale. Press the button or link punch clock. Here we go. That's it. Your time tracker punch clock was installed in less than 4 minutes.